Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video we discussed about lazy initialization. Before that we discussed about eager, right? So using lazy initialization we are achieved that creating the only one instance for a whole project, right? Now if so as of now we are directly calling this get object method. Okay, this is fine. Maybe if I use the thread here. Okay, so Java having a concept called thread, right? So let me create one thread and try to create the object inside the thread. Let's see how it is behaving. Okay, so new using the runnable interface. Let me try to create that. Okay, so runnable. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the thread block. Let me semicolon. Okay, so here we have a method called so let me try to override the unimplemented methods. Okay, so this is one thread, right? So let me copy paste the same code. Let me go for it two threads basically. Okay, so just copy pasting here. So let me change the reference name as T2. Okay, so let's do that inside this. Okay, so T1 and so the T2 is calling again. Okay, let me remove this only two threads I'm creating. Okay, so let me start the thread here. T1 dot start and T2 dot start. Okay, so two thread basically I'm running. I'm creating the object two times, right? So let me try to run this. See, okay. So our lazy eager whatever it may be, it's got broken when we are using the two threads, right? How to solve that? Okay, so how can I do that? So to stop the multiple threading access, right, we have a concept called synchronization basically. Okay, so what basically synchronization will do? So it will allow only one thread basically. Okay, so it will allow only one thread. So that is the way we can resolve this. So if I am allowing only one thread, what will happen basically? So it will, whenever the object creation the part is going, right? So sorry, yeah, this part is coming, right? So here only one thread can able to access. As of now, two threads I am running simultaneously at the same time. So two people are trying to access same time. So it's our logic got broken. So now if how many threads, that's fine, but I am allowing in this block one by one thread. Only one thread it can come inside this method. How can I do that? Very simple. Okay, so use the keyword called synchronized for this method. Okay, so done, right? So let me try to run again and let's see the magic, right? So hope you understood, right? When multiple threads I'm trying to do creating the object using multiple threads, so it is breaking our existing code. But here what I'm going to do when I'm calling the get object, alright, so I'm making as a synchronized. So what basically synchronized will do, it will allow only one thread inside this method. So even two people are getting called, only one guy allowed inside. So that is the reason only one object created. Second time when another thread is coming, the object was ready already, so it will return the existing object, right? So okay, so this is fine. Maybe I have one more issue. For example, as of now this method is very small, that is what I'm fine, right? If this method is having maybe lot of code, okay, then what will happen basically? My performance will get impacted, right? So the for example 10 threads I'm running, obviously my performance will gone, right? So I cannot go bear that, right? So obviously for a single creating the object, if my performance is getting blocked, so obviously your management will not approve that project maybe, right, due to the performance issue. So what basically we can do, instead of going with the synchronized method, right, we can go synchronized block. So what basically it will do, instead of synchronizing the whole method, I am going to write this synchronous block. How can I do that? Okay, it is very simple. I am just removing the synchronous block, synchronous method from here. Okay, so where object was created, where object creation was happening. Okay, so object creation is happening inside this if condition, right? What I am going to do inside this if condition, I am going to use a synchronized block. Okay, so this is a synchronized block. So when we need to run the synchronized block, right? Basically, we need to give the class name so that it will get the class key and it will execute it. Okay, I'm just giving the class key. Okay. Okay, so that's all. Nothing else needs to be changed. Right? Hope you understood, right? Let's try to run this and verify. So 2 objects was created. Oh shit, what happened? Something we missed. Okay. So let me copy this if block inside this and let's try that. Because after synchronized, this block should have this block only one time it should get called, right? See, hope you understood, right? So what I done first time, so the if block I done it before synchronized itself. So obviously multiple threads can access the if block same time, right? So that is what it was got success and it is created 2 times. Now I'm going to check the if condition inside the synchronized block. So what will happen? Only one thread it will come and it will check for the if condition. Before checking if condition, my synchronized block will hold on. It will allow, it will send only one thread for the if condition itself. Okay, so if you are doing 10 times object creation, only one thread can go to the if condition. So it will go step by step. Okay, so this is the way we can achieve the, what is that, synchronization, I mean multiple thread issue. Okay, hope you understood, right? So what is synchronized method and what is synchronized block? In this video we learned 2 steps. One is synchronized block and another one is synchronized method. So this is the synchronized block. So before that, if you are adding synchronized in the method, that is called synchronized method. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks, bye bye.